We'd love to see it. Nice and straight. You want to make sure that some people like to stop it right here. Nice and loose so you can just like... Welcome back, everybody, to a new video. As you can see in the title and the thumbnail, we are now lacing a pair of Jordan 4s featuring the Air Jordan 4 BRED Reimagined. You love to see that, Nike? Yes, we'd love to see it. This is going to be a loose lace video, you know what I'm saying? Yes, stay tuned for that. Let's get this video started. Shoe on feet, everything's good. All right, got the laces, make sure they're even. Always get tip to tip. Once you do that, then make sure it's even. Make sure they're even. Flip that over nice and straight. You want to make sure that this line is straight, okay? So y'all can see this in full detail. Gotta make sure they're flat, nice and flat. See, some people like to stop it right here and let their shoestrings just dangle out a little bit, you know what I'm saying? I can respect that, you know? I'm not the type of person to have my shoestrings dangling out that deep, you know what I'm saying? So if anything, I'll put it over here, no weird shit, or I'll just put it like this, you know what I'm saying? Wrap it around one more time, and bada bing, bada boom. So we can keep these two nice and tight. You see how that stays right there? That stays right there? Yes, sir. Let's take the other foot out so you can see the difference. You know, still need to do a little bit more adjustments, but right now this is the overall good look of it. Okay, you know what I'm saying? Got it nice and loosed up. Shoestrings look a little woolly, you know what I'm saying? But it's still stiff. So like I said, you need to get cracked and worn in and all that good stuff. So yeah. Okay, so overall, this is the final product, the final project of it. You know what I'm saying? I don't want to talk too much about it. You obviously see what's going on. Zoom in, zoom out. Show you how it looks on foot from angles and all that. I'm trying to get it from different angles. You know what I'm saying? Get all of that. You love to see it. Come on now, loose fit, nice and loose so you can just like slide on and slide off. You want it to be a 1, 2, 3 type of thing, you know what I'm saying? Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Turn your post notifications on for future videos because more videos will forever. Let's get one more good look at those. Yes, sir. And we out of here.